Um, Good afternoon. Thank you for inviting me here today. My name is Kazushige Nobutani, the Director General of Kansai METI Kansai. Well, those who are not familiar with the name of Kansai, let me explain briefly. Kansai means the region of this area. It includes Osaka, this city, Kyoto, Kobe, Nara, and other major cities. It's not legally defined, but we believe Kansai is the best part in Japan, much better than Tokyo. So welcome to Kansai. Today, I'd like to speak about energy policy and the regional development of energy. Last February this year, national government, my headquarters, published seventh strategic energy plan. This slide shows the overview of that one. The bar chart left shows energy consumption in total of this country. Right bar shows electricity generated in total. If you look at bar chart left, it says total energy consumption in Japan will be decreased from now to 2040. But if you look at light blue part of bar chart, the demand of electricity may be increased from here to the future. Probably because of data center, probably because of the AI, but it is predicted to be increased. In right bar chart, it says the electricity generated. So it must be matched with light blue part. At the same time, the publishment of this strategy, Japanese government announced a carbon reduction target in 2040. We say it must be 73% reduction compared to 2013. So we need to achieve two goals. One, huge reduction of greenhouse gases by 2040. Two, to match the increased demand of electricity by 2040. So it's very difficult way to go forward. The key is the technology. In my presentation, I would like to draw your attention to technology development in this area and in the expo. Here you go. Before going to details, let me give you some overview of this area. As I said, this is Kansai area. We are here in Osaka, the Kyoto, very famous tourist city and very famous innovation city. And oh, thank you. Ah, so okay, and this is Kansai area. That is energy mix of Kansai area. We have nuclear energy. It is about one quarter, and we also have big amount of hydropower. So it means in this area, you can use more carbon-free energy with cheaper price compared to other part of Japan. This is our area. So let's get into the expo venue. Have you been to expo? I hope you so. Okay. This is the venue of the expo. We installed many energy technologies in the expo. This is hydrogen fuel cell ship made by Iwatani Corporation, a major Japanese hydrogen handler. This ship connects city center of Osaka to the venue of the expo. It takes about 20 minutes. I took it, very smooth and quiet. This one is the first fuel cell ship uh, in this kind. This is film-type perovskite solar cells made by Sekisui Chemical. Sekisui Chemical is also a big company in Osaka. They put perovskite solar cell on the rooftop of bus stops there. IHI, a famous Japanese heavy industry company, they demonstrate ammonia power generation technology. They generate electricity outside of the venue. They provide it to the venue of the expo. Kansai Electric Power Company, or KEPCO, they also demonstrate hydrogen power generation. They use hydrogen to generate power outside of the venue, and they provide electricity to the expo. On the top right, RITE, or we call it RITE, or it stands for Research Institute of Technology for the Earth. They show their CO2 carbon dioxide capture from the atmosphere technology in the venue of the expo. It is fully booked, very popular, not only among Japanese participants, but also international participants. The Kajima, the famous construction company, they use low carbon or negative carbon concrete to build the pavilions. On the bottom right, Osaka Gas, they show their technology of methanation using food waste and carbon dioxide collected by duct technologies. These technologies are already installed in the expo venue. If we go out of expo venue, this is Kansai area, we also see many technologies of energy and climate. This is a demonstration site of Kansai Electric Power Company. They use hydrogen power to generate electricity. This is ammonia in the middle of Osaka Bay Area, Sakai Senboku. And this is sustainable airfuels. This is also generated, produced in Sakai Senboku industrial area. SAF or SAF is already used by Japan Airlines and the acrobat flying team of Japan Self-Defense Forces during the expo period. And this one shows storage batteries. Kansai area is a motherland of storage batteries. Around 40% of production of lithium-ion battery are made in Kansai, this area. About 80% of lithium-ion battery for automobiles are made in this area. We have huge accumulation of factories in this area. On the right, you can see the technology of carbon dioxide removal technology and also perovskite solar cell technologies. These technologies are supported by supporting industry. We have strong SMEs in this area as well. This pie chart shows Japanese global niche top distribution. In Kansai region, 27% of global niche top in Japan are gathering in here. And that these are examples of a product of their technologies. They dominate global market of its kind. Also, I'd like to touch upon startup community in Kansai area. My office, METI Kansai, select 75 startup Kansai, many of which focus on energy-related businesses. This one and this one are focusing on nuclear fusion. The X fusion is from Osaka University. They built the first commercial laser fusion plant. Kyoto Fusion Engineering from Kyoto University, they developed fusion energy power plant. This one, also from Kyoto University, is focusing on perovskite solar cells, and others are displayed there. We have strong community of deep tech startup in Kansai area. This one is a big event in the expo for global startup community. We call it GSE, Global Startup Expo 2025, was held last week in Expo. Our Prime Minister came here. Our former Prime Minister came here. Many ministers come here. Also, Mr. Messner kindly joined to the event. Sorry, I forgot to tell my colleague to put a picture in the slide, but you were there. And Mr. Jensen Fan, the top of NVIDIA, he gave a video message for the opening ceremony. So we enjoyed big event of Global Startup Expo. In this session, we invited many deep tech startups in this area. Many of them are focusing on energy technologies. Lastly, I'd like to mention academia and research network of this area. We have Osaka University, Kyoto University, and Kobe University in this region. Their international ranking is not very high, but very strong. Other things. This is linear collider for the global scale. It locates in Hyogo Prefecture. That one supercomputer Fugak in Kobe. And the Keihanna Science City, the hometown of NICE, and other international institutions are located here. These are the strengths of the Kansai area. My office published growth potential map for Kansai. It's time. We show this map to present the potential of growth of technology of this area. Sorry, this is only in Japanese, but those who are interested in, I recommend you to go through the brochure. Thank you for the attention.